In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tangem Wallet to Koinly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your Tangem Wallet transaction history into a tax tool using the CoinLedger import flow, so everything is organized and ready for reporting. Start by opening your CoinLedger dashboard and heading to the import section. This is where you'll bring in all of your wallet and exchange activity so CoinLedger can calculate gains, income, and cost basis correctly. From here, choose Add Account. This opens the catalog of supported wallets and services. Use the search bar to type Tangem Wallet. When Tangem Wallet appears in the list, select it to open the dedicated import screen. This page gives you multiple ways to add your data, so you can choose the option that best fits how you store your records. If you already have a transaction history file, you can upload it directly. Many exchanges and wallets let you export a CSV of your activity. Make sure the file is complete, includes all relevant dates, and uses the format CoinLedger expects. If you've made edits, keep the column headers intact and check that timestamps and amounts look correct before uploading. You can also connect and import directly from your Tangem wallet. This method typically uses public addresses or read-only connections to pull on-chain transactions automatically. Have your wallet's public address or view key ready, and avoid sharing any private keys or seed phrases. Those are never required for an import. Once connected, CoinLedger will scan the blockchain and queue your history. If you prefer, or if you're missing a few entries, there's a manual input option. Use this to add specific trades, transfers, or income events that aren't covered by your files or wallet connection. Enter the date, asset, amount, and any fees carefully, and save each entry. Manual additions will be reconciled alongside your other data. You'll also see a Connect Wallet button on the screen. This is another path to the same read-only connection we discussed. Handy if you navigated away or want to add an additional address. After you choose your method, start the sync to fetch all transactions. Let the import run. Larger histories can take a moment. When the sync completes, review the imported records for duplicates or missing classifications. If something looks off, you can re-upload, adjust mappings, or add manual corrections until everything balances. That's it. Your Tangem wallet activity is now imported and ready for tax calculations. Save your work and you're all set for accurate reporting.